guys, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Erin Umstead. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial using the James Charles palette. I'm really excited because last year on my channel I created a Valentine's makeup look with the Jekyll Hill palette, and so this year I just want to use my James Charles palette. This corner right here looks like so much fun to use for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be a really useful palette to use for Valentine's Day, or really any like makeup look you're trying to do that's really colorful. But since these are all pink shades down here in this corner, I'm definitely going to be going towards those today. I recently just purchased all of the Jekyll Hill eye brushes that she came out. She collaborated with Morphe. All these brushes are extremely helpful for me now because I don't know if you guys are aware, but I used to only own 2 Morphe brushes, and I would normally just alternate between these two while doing an eye look. Now I have all of these to complete an eye look for you guys. It's gonna be a lot more useful for me, and it's definitely an upgrade to my channel, to my makeup collection, and just it's gonna be even more easier for me to create looks for you guys. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy today's video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, let's just get into today's video. First shade that I'm going to be going in with is Pinkity Drinkity, which is this really light pink shade up here. I'm going to be taking this on the JH30. I'm going to be packing this all over my lid just to kind of create a base, since today I'll be mostly just working with pinks. With this shade, I wouldn't expect much color out of it, so if you're expecting to put the shade on and it to be really intense, it's definitely not that. As I said, I'm just using it as a base because it's such a light color. Not really that pigmented, but I don't think it's meant to be that pigmented. I think it's just meant to be a base. Okay, so now we're gonna go straight into color. We're actually gonna go right into Skip, which is this shade right down here. Now I'm taking this on a JH33. Skip is really pigmented, unlike Pinkity Drinkity. It's really pigmented. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna bring this right into the crease. Just the full crease, you know. I'm just gonna take this JH32 brush, going back in with Pinkity Drinkity, and I want to just put this over what we just put on because I want to blend out these edges a little bit more. I'm taking Pinkity Drinkity base shade that we put on and blending these shades a little bit more. So now for the outer corner, I'm just going to be taking Love That, which is this shade right here. I'll be taking this on the JH40. This brush is really small, and it's going to be really good to just get onto the outer corner, even more into the crease. This shade, I'm going directly on that outer corner, and then I will blend this out with a bigger brush. The shade that we did to blend out the others, we're going to go in with Pinkity Drinkity again and blend these. It's important to do this step because I don't know if you can tell, this eye is a lot less harsh than this eye over here. This eye I've done no blending with Love That. I just put Love That in the outer corner, but I've done no blending with it on this eye. You can see how much more harsh it is compared to this eye that is being blended out. Blending is probably the most important part of doing eyes, especially if you're a beginner. You want to focus on blending. Like with this eye look, it's not complicated at all, but it can turn out to be really bad if you don't blend your shadows at all, because they're so pigmented and because it really matters where you're placing them and where you blend them out too. Even if you just take a brush, a bare brush, like I'm going into Pinkity Drinkity to intensify the pink, but let's say you're just going in with a clean brush. If you go back and forth like windshield wiper motions on any look, it will help it. So blending is so important. We're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Sorry. Love that for me. The creases are cut, okay? They're cut to filth. Okay, so now we're going to put a shimmer on top of this. I'm going to spray these bristles, okay? spray them. Alright, I'm going to be taking the shade Ring Light, which is this shade right up here. And I'm going to put this on top of the cut crease we just did. Okay, so this shimmer is on, but honestly, I'm not really loving the look right now. Obviously, it's not done. I will go back eventually with the JH33 brush, and I'll just take a little bit more of Skip, and I'll just blend out these edges. But I want to finish the shimmer first before I do that. This is a Valentine's Day look, so I want to try to just intensify it so much where your date's not looking at your face, he's looking at your eyes, you know. We're gonna go in with face, which is this shimmer right here. It's basically a highlight. So I'm gonna take face, and I'm gonna go on top of Ring Light with this. Now, like I said, I'm gonna go back in with Skip, and I'm gonna diffuse out these edges. So now we're gonna do the inner corner highlight. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna take Ring Light. Alright guys, so this is the finished eye look for Valentine's Day. It's something very different than I would normally do, but I actually love how this pink eye turned out. I think that it's really, really pretty. It's very, like, I think glam, but also just, like, cute and, you know, innocent. I don't know. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. Again, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.